This story is all about selfish lion. Once there lived a lion in a forest. Every day a rat was troubling the lion. The fox advised the lion to get a cat to kill the rat. The lion agreed. The fox got a cat for the lion. The lion was very happy and took care of the cat. Soon the cat killed the rat. As the lion did not need the cat anymore, the selfish lion sent the cat away. Moral of the story: think before doing something. Do not be foolish. Keywords from story: selfish, caring only about what you want. Trouble, a problem, difficulty, or a situation causing distress. Advice, a suggestion about what someone should do. Agreed, to accept a suggestion or proposal. Away, at a distance from a particular place, person, or thing. Opposites from story: agree, disagree, got, lose, happy, sad, care, neglect, sent, receive, away, near. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you again with another story. Till then, take care.